Recent research reveals that bird endemism in Antarctica and the Southern Hemisphere is much higher than previously thought. These regions host unique bird species found nowhere else on Earth. This discovery emphasizes the urgent need for focused conservation efforts due to their vulnerability to climate change and habitat disturbances. Endemism means species exist only in specific geographic areas. Antarctica and the subantarctic regions have many endemic birds like the snow petrel, which is exclusive to the South Pole. High endemism indicates unique evolutionary history and ecological roles. Such species have limited ranges, making them irreplaceable and sensitive to environmental changes. Traditional methods of measuring endemism often favor regions with many species, known as species richness. Areas with fewer species, like Antarctica, were overlooked. This bias led to underestimating the true level of endemism in the Southern Hemisphere. A new method using complementarity measures how unique a site's species are compared to others, denoting places with highly restricted range species. The study identified several Southern Hemisphere hotspots, including subantarctic islands, the high Andes, Australia, Otaru, New Zealand, and Southern Africa. These places contain birds with distinct evolutionary traits such as kiwis, emus, lyrebirds, penguins, and albatrosses. These species contribute uniquely to their ecosystems and are mostly confined to these regions. The Southern Hemisphere has less landmass and more ocean than the Northern Hemisphere. This separation by vast oceans limits species ranges and dispersal. As a result, bird communities in these isolated land masses share fewer species, increasing local endemism. In contrast, Northern Hemisphere species have larger, connected land areas, allowing broader distribution. Birds in the Southern Hemisphere face greater risks from climate change. Northern species can shift their ranges across continuous land to cooler areas. Southern species are blocked by oceans and unsuitable habitats like Antarctica. This geographical isolation restricts their ability to adapt or migrate, increasing their vulnerability to extinction. Conservation must prioritize sites with unique endemic species, even if species numbers are low. Protecting these irreplaceable birds safeguards evolutionary heritage and ecological functions. That findings call for more research and conservation focus on Southern Hemisphere birds, especially in Antarctica and subantarctic regions.